welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit depressing day for me. I don't know why, but maybe it's the weather or maybe it's the pandemic. It's just those days that you go crazy, but luckily I'm very happy, I'm blessed because my package from the United States of America arrived today. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my package and I'm going to unbox it tonight. I'm going to unbox it now. What's in the box? There's a story. Okay. I asked a friend to buy me this what's in the box, to buy me this one because mas barato to. It's cheaper to buy it in the States. So I asked her to buy. Makot ko siya, pwede baklo niya ni for me. And so ibakal niya for me. And then baka tumangid siya. But then sang naagabot na di sa Netherlands. Tada! Nagbayad ko sang 2,500 pesos para lang sa post. So, lesson learned. Next time, hindi ka naging-declare yabi nga muna bala ang price out. So, gingkuha ang tax. It's okay. Gingkuha ang tax ng duwana. It's okay. But next time, ang advice ko to those people who wants to buy products outside their country, i-declare nyo lower sa original price niya. So, hindi ka mapagsukton sa duwana. Anyway, now is the time for me to unbox my precious box from the United States of America. Okay. I'm very happy. I'm very excited. I always wanted to have this bag. Now, always wanted to have this bag. Always wanted to have this bag. Very happy. So, everybody's asking me, why can I spend a lot of things from bags and things and material things? It's like I'm so materialistic. Oh, that is my food, the air fryer. I say, okay, before the pandemic, we usually go, we talked about it that we need to go into the Philippines every year. So we save money every year. And then we save money for our vacation in the Philippines. And we save money for our vacation in Europe. So we go out, we do vacation for 2 times a year. Gabakasyon kami ni Vincent. We go everywhere. We go to the Philippines and anywhere in Europe. And now there's pandemic. I realized, I think it's time for me to buy some luxury bags or luxury things that I always wanted to do. Maybe it's time for me to do that. Maybe it's time for me to just spend little spendings for luxury things. That's why I decided to buy this. You don't need to ask how much it is because it's a gift. So, oops, sorry. Okay, let's see what it is. Let's see. Are you ready for this? Oh my God! I thought it's big, but it's not really big. So I didn't tell anyone about this because it's expensive. So I didn't tell anyone that I'm going to buy this. And now that it's in my vlog, now they know that I'm gonna buy this. Oh my God! It's so beautiful. Look at this. It's small. I thought it's big. It looks big in the... Okay, ladies and gentlemen. You want to ask me what is this? This is a Coach, of course. It's a satchel bag leather from Coach. Well, I always wanted to have a Coach bag. And now I have it. This is the latest, I think. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Look inside. Very simple, but it's very beautiful. It smells so good. It smells like your leather shoes. Your leather shoes when you're in high school? Oh, it smells like that. It smells like high school. Very small. It's small. For me, it's small. I thought it's big. It looks big in the picture. No, it's not big. It's small. So next time you buy this kind of bag, think first before you buy it because it's small. The price, you don't need to know, but you know it. You research it in the YouTube, and you will see the price. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this very beautiful bag. Coach! Finally, I have a Coach! And I have a plan of buying another one. Maybe. We'll see. I want to have 2 Coach, 2 MK, and what else? I don't know. You can adjust the strap, but I suggest if you want to buy a Coach, buy a big one. This is small. This is just, I think this is only for parties or only for, oh, you cannot do it in the office. No. Small, but it's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Look at this. The details. And inside is just a simple, very simple inside. Look, very simple. Walang nasa. That's it. That's it. And my husband will kill me. We do it like this. Siyempre, would like. Ba't mo palang nan? Hindi kita nun. Kaya gamay sa akon. I know, but it's beautiful! That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Gusto ko lang ipatikal ang akon nga Coach, bago nga Coach nga bag. This is a shell bag from Coach. Thank you for watching! Don't forget, share, like, and subscribe! Toodaloo! Tidadidadi, tidadidadi, tidadidadi-da-da-da-da, tidadidadi, tidadidadi, tidadidadi-da-da-da-da-da-da.